Hi everyone. Today we are going to continue with clothes decluttering with my husband. He will mostly be off camera, but you should be able to hear him. We're going to start with his hanging shirts. He thinks he is done decluttering those, that he had gotten rid of some before. So if he decides to keep them all, that's okay. But it's going to be great to go through and check his inventory and see what we come up with. Come along with us. So when I have worked with him decluttering before, what I have done is pulled items out, tried to pre-sort them, and then he was coming in and making quick decisions. So that is going to be our plan for today. All right, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and organize them into dress versus casual versus fishing shirts, and then we'll bring him in. So let's do that. These plastics from the dry cleaners are ones he used to wear to work. We'll attack those secondary. This is considered a fishing shirt. I think he likes this brand. Okay, well, let me look. All right, everyone, I have Hunter off camera, unless you want to come. No, he shakes his head. Okay, I need you to speak up though when you answer me so they can hear you. That was a low Why don't you come a little bit closer? You can come right here and you want, that's perfect. Okay. So this is all your short sleeve, and I don't care if you say yes to everything, but you've got your poncho, which you love, right? This one,
Keep.
All these,
Keep.
this brand, what is it? Old Tejas. So these are fairly new, right? So all the Tejas keep. What about this one?
Black and go.
This one, Columbia? Is this not one we just bought?
No. What's the fabric?
The fabric, polyester.
Get rid of it.
Okay, so that's a donate because it's polyester. This is another Columbia.
That can probably go, but I don't remember what that
Omni Shield. I think all these are probably going to be polyester. Okay. This is another Columbia. We just bought you a Columbia, didn't we? So if they're polyester, it's just because they don't breathe, right? Polyester.
Get rid of it.
Okay. This one is, I think this one is from Sam's. It's a Habit is the brand. Polyester.
I like that shirt, but
Okay, if you like it, keep it. You don't have to say no to everything. This is the same Columbia. Polyester.
get rid of it.
Okay, so 3 or 4 gotten rid of. All of these are keepers. These are the ones. This one's brand new, right? And this one. So we like those. This is the Cabela's. Did you used to wear this for work? Because it's kind of,
Yes.
we're good with, I like this color.
Keep it.
Keep it.
Keep it.
I like that color too. It's wrinkle resistant.
Keep it.
This one's starched, man.
Keep it.
Okay.
Keep it.
Texas Standard.
Keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
Okay. All of these
Those are all good work.
that you wore to work. So can I take them out of the plastic
I don't care.
so you can actually reach them? And then I'm just gonna look through the collars and make sure that they're not frayed. And then you're good to keep all that. Is there anything, just looking at this, of colors that you don't like?
No.
Everything's in here that you like.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you. I'll bring you back for the long sleeves. So when we started, or when I suggested we do this today because it is rainy outside, we have had flooding in Texas and it's supposed to rain another 3 to 5 inches. So I'm like, I need to do something productive. Besides all the other stuff productive I'm doing in the kitchen. So we have 4 shirts. They're all polyester. That's not his favorite from obviously not being able to breathe. But he initially said, I don't have anything to get rid of because I've already gotten rid of a lot of shirts. But I told him that's fine. If you say yes to everything, that's fine. But we did find some. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and look at all of these and take them out of the wrappers. And then I'm going to color coordinate by type of shirt. And I'll show you what it's going to look like in the closet. Y'all might be hearing thunder. I almost said lightning. You can't hear lightning. You might be hearing lightning. You might be hearing thunder in the background because we are storming. Okay, I'm just looking at collars to make sure that they are nice and fresh and clean. So these are good. So you guys, we just recently went to a birthday party where the theme was red and he said he didn't have a red shirt. There are a couple in there that had some red he could have probably worn. But then again, I bought this dress to wear to it and I didn't wear to it. So who's to judge? All right, let me go organize these in the closet and then we'll pull out his long sleeve. Okay, I just asked him how he prefers me to organize his closet and his shirts in his closet. If color was important, and all by color, or separating them into type of shirt, like dressy shirt versus casual shirt. And he said he didn't care about that. I said, I know, I'm a micro, you're a macro, but I wanted to be respectful of what you want. And he's fine with me separating the nice from the casual, but that's as far as I'm gonna take it. Well, I'm gonna color coordinate too, at least to begin with. I'm gonna go get the long sleeves and bring them out now. I think he has more clothes than I do. Just to give you perspective of what we have going on here. So, like before, I'm gonna go through and try to sort these between dress, casual, work clothes. And he doesn't work anymore, but he can still wear all that to church or to date night. Okay. Okay, this should be a keeper because it's the same brand and it's nice. Okay, so these are winter. I've got dress shirts, fishing type shirts, casual shirts, dressier shirts, and then some fun sports stuff. All right, so there are a couple of in here, the same brand as Sam's or Costco. So this is that one of them. Okay, so keep, Mojo, keep, Mojo, keep. This is one of the Sam's one, keep. Columbia. Is this a different material? Feels
Yes.
like it, right?
Yes, it's mostly cotton.
That's the Sam's one. Yeah? Sam's. Columbia. Swiss Alps.
No.
That one can go. Okay. Okay.
Get rid of that.
Where'd this come
I
from?
don't even remember.
Okay. Donate.
Get rid of it. I won't wear that.
Cryptek. Do you think one of the boys might want it?
Maybe.
Okay. We'll have them take a look at that.
Keep. Keep.
These are like your work shirts.
Yes. Keep. Keep.
All those, right? Because they're your warmer work shirts. Okay. All right. So you've let go of like 3?
Those are all keepers. Unless there's something frayed.
I think they all look good, and they're all the same brand that you like. I am not seeing anything wrong with the collars, so they're good. Okay. So you can wear those on date night with me. See, there is one short sleeve in here. It looks like, but that's a keep, right? This is, you know, check the size. I think that one's good, right?
I think so.
I like the blue on you.
That's a keeper. That's a keeper.
These are all solid colors. That's why I kind of separated them.
Get rid of the Cabela's.
It's a different style.
Yeah. That one.
Okay. Is there a reason?
You can keep it. It may just be older.
I like you in the blue. It makes your blue eyes so pretty.
Keeper.
Well, the video cut off because my phone ran out of storage, and that's what I record on. So we did go through the rest. He kept them. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the closet, show you what that looks like, and then I'll show you what we decluttered. All right, we are in the closet, and this down here are his work clothes and his like hockey jerseys. Solids, prints, long sleeve, fishing type shirts, then the short sleeve dress shirts, his casual shirts and some fishing shirts, and then some hanging t-shirts that we had decluttered some of those, but those are the ones that have prints on them. And he did good. Let's see how long it stays this way. And I don't really care. It's his inventory, right? But boy, man, are those starched. He got rid of 7 items, which is great for someone who said he didn't have anything to get rid of. I did count his shirts, and between the long sleeve and short sleeve, he has 60. So he can go 2 months, basically. He's got more long shirts than short shirts. I think that's a success. And it just goes to show you, you can have more than one pass at your clothes because you'll always find something else that you can let go of. I hope you were able to do the same. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to close like my dad always closed his voicemail messages. Bye for now.